Hello there dreamers! Have you ever heard about Talos E2? Let's see what we have in the box.
New week, new DIY project. I'm about to upgrade this computer by replacing its case. Let me tell you the story. After the airflow video on my computer, a dreamer complained to me that the temperature in his case was over 8 degrees. He liked a case with better airflow and is looking for help with the replacement. Of course, I don't refuse to help a dreamer in need, and that's why here we are. As you can see, in this case the water cooling is mounted in the front due to the lack of space. It seems to me that this is precisely the main cause of the hotness. This case is labeled as one of the best aquarium boxes in its price range. It is about a price of around 50-60 euros. Here it is, Gamdia's Talos E2 Elite. The case is mid-tower and my first impression is that it has handle and hinges on the glass panel. There are fans installed, but I'm going to remove them because the dreamer bought a set of Cougar fans. You saw them at the beginning of the video. Here's what it looks like from the back. There is plenty of room and holes for all the cables to go through. Now I start by removing all the stock fans. This is how the case looks like a frame. I left nothing but the cables from the front panel. There was a mistake with the order and one fan is black, but no problem, I will mount it on the back of the case. You know it will look ridiculous on front. The fans make a very good impression on me, they look high quality. Nothing to do with the ones that were on the case. Time to start getting the components out of the old case. I start with the video card, which is well known to all, 1080 Ti from MSI. She also has a small problem, but more on that later. After 10 minutes of effort, I was able to remove the motherboard along with the CPU and water cooling. I don't plan to separate them because it would unnecessarily complicate the process, and the thermal paste was recently replaced. In such an operation, it is important not to forget to move the shield for the motherboard, otherwise it will be necessary to remove the motherboard again. It is time for the power supply. I'm putting in the SSD. Here I start with one of the most tedious jobs on a case, the cable management. I won't go into details, I'm showing it quickly to save you the annoyance. I'm glad I got to test this case, which was being praised by several random YouTubers as the best cheap aquarium case for PC. I also got to the video card. Donor complained the one fan started rattling when underwater. I plan to replace both fans with new one. They can be repaired, but for 20 euros, it's not worth the trouble. Replacement is extremely easy. I have replaced fans on EVG 1080 Ti and it was a real nightmare. With this card, only a few bolts need to be unscrewed and everything comes out. Extremely easy replacement. I put the video card. I didn't forget to plug in the power connector this time. All that remains was to arrange the cables on the motherboard. For convenience, I have photographed them before disconnecting them. It's time for the first test. On startup, one of the water cooling fans did not start. I'd be surprised if it worked the first time. But the computer booted, which means I mostly likely forgot to put the power to that fan. I ended up being right, the power connector was not plugged in. And with that, you're done. I'm convinced that this computer will never run as hot as before. This case is really excellent quality for the price. And the Cougar fans add even more impact to this awesome box. I wonder how much dust this case will collect. The old one has to be cleaned every month.
And this is the end of today's video. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. I was Crash from Dream About Anything. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.